Whether you're Gen Z trying not to get scammed by a meme coin, a millennial tired of being quietly broke, or a boomer wondering where your retirement fees went, I'm talking to you. Your financial plan is currently a vibes-only disaster. You're out here treating your credit card like a magic lamp and wondering why the only genie that shows up is Gary the debt collector monster that wants to possess you. Hi, I'm Jordan, and welcome to
Fix Your Finances.
Yep, you heard that right. I spent 15 years in investment banking watching rich people get richer, while you were busy financing a vacation you couldn't afford on a credit card with an interest rate higher than your IQ, or trying to invest in limited edition sneakers and hope for a miracle. And yeah, there's a reason I'm using this digital avatar. I want the freedom to roast your bank account and spill industry secrets without getting jabbed or jump scared by you in Walmart frozen food aisle. You spent 12 years in school learning about the cell of an organism. You can also calculate the area of a trapezoid. Great! Use that to pay your rent. Go ahead, I'll wait. Exactly. They taught you how to dissect a frog but let you sign a student loan that costs more than a private island in the Bahamas. Let's be real. Most of what you find online is either finance bro jargon that sounds like a toaster reading a legal brief, or some teenager in a basement telling you to put your life savings into a coin named after a dishwasher. Or worse, it's some influencer telling you to live off beans and rice until you're 80 so you can finally afford a nice coffin. Here, we don't do get rich quick, we do get smart fast. We're not here to audit your grocery list or tell you to live like a monk in a digital void. We're here to stop the massive invisible bleed that's actually killing your future. We're going to talk about the quietly broke epidemic, where people look like $1 million on Instagram but have a net worth of a half-eaten sandwich. Stop being the victim in your own bank statement. Let's turn your finances from a horror movie into a success story. Or keep scrolling and go buy that thing you don't need with money you don't have. Gary the debt collector monster is waiting. Click the button. Your future self is already judging you.